Cause I'm a savage, not if I sag with you, ayy. Crack that code, maybe I can pass with you. Get on your toes, probably blow it back with you, yeah. We got the streets on lock, forever from the bottom, but we still on top. You my top pick.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday or Friday. We back with another video, another vlog. So today, alright, seatbelt. I'm about to get out the car, but alright. Today is Family Beach Day. So yesterday was my little brother's 13th birthday. We had dinner, but we couldn't like really, you know, celebrate because it was a Thursday and everybody had work and stuff like that. And like when we celebrate birthdays, we like to celebrate birthdays. And if we can't celebrate on an extra day, we celebrate it on the next closest we can. My phone was starting to go crazy. Yeah, so we're spending the day in Santa Cruz. And we're trying to stay on schedule. I'm trying to stay on schedule, y'all. And I'm trying to get my life together while I eat breakfast. I gotta run in here real quick and grab some last minute stuff. We'll be ready to go. I'm gonna have, I make some honey buttery biscuits. Butter. There was a little fly on me, like a little gnat. Yeah, let me tell y'all how this old white lady, she flipped me off. She ain't had no reason to. She was passing by me, leaving my house. Like, what the hell I do to you? For you to say, let me flip this black girl off today. Like, what the hell be wrong with people? I'm convinced that people just be bitter. I'm about this close. Don't mind enough. I'm about this close to flipping her ass back off. Because I got time today. I'm really trying to hurry up because we is a little behind schedule. We're 30 minutes behind schedule. 30 minutes behind schedule is a lot. It's a lot. Okay. Let's go in. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I was so mad. I went in there, right? When I first went in there, I really went in there for ice, some wipes, and a quick couple of snacks. And I came out with a whole tennis court, a whole volleyball net court. But listen to this, because I got a good deal on it. If you know me, I love a good coupon. Don't mind the nails. I love a good coupon. This tennis court / badminton court would have been $50 after taxes. It was like $48 or $49 and some cents. But after taxes, it would have been like $50, $51. I had a coupon for like $13 and I spent under $40. I spent like probably like $37, $38 for it. Period. I love a good coupon. So right now, I'm on my way to my mom's house so we can load up the car and leave. Mind you, they're not ready. We're an hour behind. We were supposed to leave here, this side of town, by 8:30, get there by 9, and leave there by 9, right? It's about to be 9:40. And they're still not ready. And the only reason why we're not over there is because I had to go to the store to get the last minute stuff. Oh, I thought I forgot one of the beach balls. To get the last minute stuff. And then my baby, she had to go pick up her godson. So we both had stuff to do on this side that caused us not to be on that side on time. So I'm trying to figure out how they're not ready. I'm trying to figure it out. So, and they're doing construction over here. But I'm gonna enjoy my music and get over there. I wish I can, like how I used to do with my phone, and turn the camera that way so y'all could see like me zooming, but they don't do that. I'm gonna try to attempt it, but yeah, I'm going to listen to my music and enjoy this ride.
Stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away. I drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Oh, really did I?
No, you're beautiful. You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You're beautiful on the sunrise.
I seen you. You got caught. Yeah, you got caught. You got caught. Yes.
Really?
Yes. I caught you. Let me subscribe. Shit. Oh, that shit's cool.
Wait, that's how you do YouTube? How do you hook it up to your phone?
To my so I edit it on my computer. There's the SIM card that holds the memory. I put it in like a little USB cord and I put it in my computer and it pulls up all the footage. And then I have to edit everything and put it together before I can upload
So you guys
it.
doing a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
What's the vlog?
Mom, are you becoming a gangster?
No.
What's your YouTube?
It's Shanti's Life.
Isn't it?
That's my real, that's how you pronounce my real name, Shanti.
You should put it as K and Sean.
Mom, can I
Cause that's your talking.
Mom,
Huh?
that's how she
When we
You
get
should put it
there.
as K and Tay.
K and Tay? I like that.
K and Tay, you gonna get fucked up. Like
No.
Shantae's life?
Yeah, Shanti's Life with apostrophe S. After the E. We can think of that. We can do mukbangs and stuff on it.
No. Yeah, y'all
should.
It's gonna get fat.
Yes.
What?
We are not gonna get fat.
Mukbangs are awesome.
They're awful. No, I want everybody here to be smacked.
Like this? Ugh.
2 E's.
Yeah, and then I can go around and do my documentation.
And then life.
on that one.
Yeah.
Stop.
This for a payback.
Maybe let's do that. We're gonna do that. Oh, this you?
Yeah.
Hey.
Period. That's how you do it.
Vegas, baby.
I'm crying.
I put that under it. I got that notification. Let me see your
Which one? My intro is nice.
Vegas, baby. Vegas. Make sure you get her voice too. Let's get her.
No, I don't. Actually, no, I really don't.
I love your voice.
That wasn't the aim.
You could be. Y'all should be like a YouTuber that does that.
Watch out. Here, it's on.
Oh, what's up? Oh, this how it is. My name's Kwani, and I'm. Do they know you?
They know me?
Yeah.
Maybe.
What do they call you?
K-Dot.
I'm K-Dot's godson.
Period. Straight like that. Yeah, so we made it to the beach. Say hi, mamas. Say hi. So. Say hey, ma. Ma. Say hey. Kylie, right here. Uh-huh. So.
How y'all doing?
So we got it pretty much set up. They setting up the second tent. Eli, the birthday boy. He 13. That is, Mama, don't be handing them out. Don't be handing those out. Oh, yeah. We got the tent, the volleyball tent for volleyball and badminton.
You lazy. You done get one because I don't know you to your
Hey y'all. So we was in the water a little bit. I forgot my camera inside the tent to show y'all. But right now we about to change our clothes. Ooh, ouch. And get on some rides. My niece can't get on rides. So she's gonna be getting some footage for us. But it was a great day to come to the beach. Like, it was a really great day. It's a great day to be at the beach, right? And of course, we're little tipsy.
like a BBC and some BBC. That's the type of shit that make a bitch DTD. That's drop them draws, I'ma lock them jaws. You ain't never had a bitch from Sloss.